If you meet a seagull at the beach, keep your picnic out of reach. Seagulls love to play a silly game where they take your food and fly away. And their favorite food is French fries. Here they go! 1, 2, 3, 4 seagulls by the seashore having a party, a French fry party. 5, 6, 7, 8 seagulls come a little late having a party, French fry party. 9, 10 feathered friends having a party, a French fry party. And they party on until the French fries are gone. They party on until they're gone. Seagulls love to eat seafood, but people bring so many treat foods. I guess the seagulls are tired of fish. If you picnic in the sand, they'll grab your sandwich. Picnic in the sand, they'll grab your sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 4 seagulls by the seashore having a party, a sandwich party. 5, 6, 7, 8 seagulls come a little late having a party, a sandwich party. 9, 10 feathered friends having a party, a sandwich party. And they party on until the sandwich is gone. They party on